send a picture of business card of people that you are meeting in events or in any business meeting. And then the AI agent linked to your Telegram will extract the information of the person from the image. It will check your CRM if the company and the people is not already there. And if not, it will create both entries. Then a deep research on the person and on the company and find what you could offer in a business proposal to this person and draft for you a customized email and send it with your signature already implemented. And you can also attach example, reference, use cases, case study, whatever you want. And the agent will update the CRM saying that you had contacted this person. All right, so let's see how we can build this on CloudStation now. In your CloudStation account, you can connect to either Google Suite or Microsoft Suite. In my example, I will use my Gmail and my Google Drive account, but you can also use Outlook and OneDrive. First, let's say I don't have a CRM, so I want Charlie to deploy for me 20 CRM, which is open source, and I can deploy it and host it in CloudStation, but I can also use an existing one. Microsoft Dynamics, for instance, I can plug to this one, or a Google Sheets. For instance, I can also use that. But I want something a bit more professional because I want to scale my business. So here's the ask. Hey, I want a CRM to store prospect info and follow the interaction with leads and clients for my business. I am a freelancer, expert of AI and automation, and I want to scale my business. So here you need to make her understand what is your business. So whatever PDF, website, LinkedIn accounts, everything with a lot of info from your business, you need to share them with Charlie so she can learn from your business, and then she will propose the best use cases within the email that we will send to any prospects that you can meet. And then I will ask her, can you deploy 20 CRM and set it up for me? All right, so she deployed the CRM and linked everything together. I didn't have to do anything, and she said that now you have to sign up, create an account in 20 CRM, and then also to create an API and share it with me. All right, so let's open the link. Let's open it in full screen. So I will create my account. I will create the workspace, the user, Charlie CloudStation. And then I will go to setting, APIs, create one API and copy the API key. And then I will sign up and I've created the API. She'll remind me the pipeline stages that she's proposing and if it's okay with me, and then to share with her the APIs. So sharing APIs key and sensitive data with LLM is something that I don't want to do. In CloudStation, the interface will detect that you are sharing credentials. The interface will propose to you automatically to store the credential in a vault this way. So the LLM won't access in any cases to your secrets. So she said that the CRM is ready to be used. She explained to me how to add a prospect like manually. So go to the People tab and create a person, fill the different metadata, and then link them to a company. And she explained also that you can track the deal status and you can create an opportunity. And the pipeline is the following one. It's new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal, sent, won or lost. And she said also that she can record all the different interaction with these leads with note, call, email, meetings, etc, etc. And then she proposed to actually auto add now new leads from my email inbox or my WhatsApp. She can connect to all of that and then fill everything up, but I won't do that. Okay, let's check the CRM. If we click on the link, we can see that there is the people, the company, and the workflow. So she created this workflow, but by default, 20 CRM is coming with default demo examples. So I will ask her to clean all of that because I want my CRM to be only my clients and their company. All right, so she did clean everything, as you can see, and we can see also in the opportunities the different stages that she created. So new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, won, lost. And now that we have our CRM ready, I will ask her to create the agent. I want a dedicated AI agent to which I can send pictures of business card or contacts information via Telegram, and it will automatically update the 20 CRM with the link. If we have the person's email address, the agent will then perform a deep search on both the person and the company. to understand their role, business activity, potential challenges, and area where AI and automation could bring value. So here's the part that it's important that should be customized with your business, what you can offer to your clients. Based on this research and the context where when we met, the agent will send a personalized email introducing myself. In this example, I am Charlie CloudStation via contact@cloudstation.io using my Gmail account, which is connected to this account, and use the configured signature. The email should then propose one relevant AI automation use case, so what I can offer to them. That's me, Charlie the freelancer, could potentially help them implement based on their activity identifiers and challenges. The idea is to propose something concrete that I could quickly demonstrate to them or use as a starting point for a discussion. And for additional use case ideas or an example, I will also ask her to attach a PDF. So here's the link of the PDF to attach. And once the email has been sent, the agent should update the contact opportunity status and relevant information in the CRM. I'm using Telegram, but I could use also WhatsApp, Line, or any other chat message. But Telegram is one of the easiest to configure. So that's why I'm using it for this demo. She did a lot of checks and she is presenting me the plan before doing anything. She saw that my Gmail is well connected with the requested email, everything is okay. Then she also checked that the CRM is connected, and then she said that she will be two pieces working together. First, a smart business card to CRM agent, so the brain, and she summarized everything that I requested earlier, and then she will also create on Telegram the bots, so the agent can use Telegram. And she said, just thing I need from you before I start. So first, I need to check the PDF. And then for the sending behavior, she said, this matter for real outreach. So do you want the bots to send the email automatically or to show you first draft? Then you can review it and ask some updates. Here the PDF link, and I want the second option, so to see a draft in my Telegram of the email, and then once it's validated to say send. First, create the bot. So I need to go to my Telegram, open bot further to create a new bot. Just click on create a new bot and set up a name. And then once it's ready, copy the key of the bot and you paste it in the bot token on CloudStation and you click on connect. And then you wait for Charlie to check. She needs one thing, she needs my Telegram chat ID. This bot will only answer to me. So anyone that is trying to chat with this bot won't actually trigger the agent. I need to go to Telegram, search for user info bots, and to share with her the ID that is displayed on the screen. Okay, next step. She generated 2 cards just before our message. For the first one, I need to click on generate. And for the second one, I need to remind the bot token. And then I need to save the variables and to restart the services. So let's do that. And I will hit on restart service now for both of them. And waiting for Charlie to come back to me. Your lead agent is live. Here's how to use it. Open Telegram, message this bot, send any business card photo or paste contact details, and you can also add a bit of context. So for instance, met at JITEX today or something like this. It will read the card, update the person in the company's CRM, and if there is an email, she will do a deep search and drive a personalized email, which will be sent by Charlie CloudStation from this email address, and she will attach the PDF. All right, so let's test this. Let's go to Telegram. So I will open it in my computer, and in the meantime, I will use my Telegram on my phone to take a picture of a business card. So here a picture of the business card of Omnia, and I said met at Medan's Free Zone. Met today at Medan's Free Zone during the AI Clinic series. Extracted the information from the card. So Omnia Pernasso, CEO, CloudStation, a number. The contexts. She is searching on 20 CRM. She's creating the different rows. She updated the CRM, and now she is doing a little bit of research on Omnia. Okay, and now here's the email graph. So from contact to Omnia. Subject for following up today's AI clinic at Meta. Hi Omnia, great to meet you at the Meta and Praise on AI clinic today. I like how the series extra. And she said, once it's stuck with me, each clinic fills the room with motivated people, but the windows to turn that energy into first real deployment is short. One idea you could stand up quickly, an automated follow-up agent that within 24 hours of each clinic sends every attendee a personalized, here's the first agent to build for your business, nudge and quietly tracks who activates. It turns a great session into activated user. Happy to show you a 10 minutes walk-in version. What I should call next week work. All right, so let's say that I'm okay with this email. I will just say send. And it's done. So the email has been sent and the CRM is updated now. Let's open our CRM and yes, we can see now that there is one person in people and we also have information about service interests. We can also see the company. So she created CloudStation, added website URL, also created the opportunities with the contacted status updated. And then I will check my emails, the email from contact at CloudStation to Omnia with the same info and the signature. And we can see also the attached PDF. I can also check and monitor the entire conversation here in the CloudStation. So the CRM lead agent that she created for these use cases. I can see here the entire conversations they are mirroring. The capabilities. Turn each Telegram message or card photo into a lead capture trigger. Reads even chats, cards, and pulls name, company role, email, phone, and notes. Structure messy contact into clean CRM-ready fields. Check the CRM, then create or update person and company records. Draft a useful follow-up email using lead context and your offer. Telegram review lets you approve or tweak the email before it is sent. The ages. The blurry card photos or incomplete event info can make Charlie ask for correction before CRM email actions. If no email address is found, the flow can create update the CRM but cannot send the follow-up email yet. Photo quality depends on clear notes, business context, and offer details given to Charlie when you create the agent. Telegram, email, and CRM, all those tools needs to be connected before the end of can run end-to-end.